This is Tony with Rainbow Restoration, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration insight. Let me ask you a question. Who do you really think is in charge of your claim? A lot of people would say that it's the adjusters. Others might say it's the contractor. Some even think the insurance company itself calls all the shots. But the truth may surprise you. The one that is in charge of your claim is you. That's right, you are the homeowner, you're the boss. It's your property and you are the paying customer. No one can force you to make decisions that you do not agree with. That's empowering, isn't it? But it also comes with a responsibility. Here's what it looks like in practice. As the homeowner, you get to choose who you hire and decide which contractor you want to work with. You even have the final say in what gets done in your home. Now, you still need to cooperate with your insurance carrier. You need to allow them to inspect, and you need to provide honest information and follow through on your end of the process. But at the end of the day, no adjuster, contractor, or vendor can tell you what to do with your own property. Now here's where things can get a little tricky. You may hear statements like, if you don't use our preferred vendor, I can't guarantee the work will be covered. Or your neighbor tells you you need to hire a lawyer or a public adjuster for every single claim. Otherwise, you're going to get taken advantage of. Now, the problem with both of these statements is they're based on fear. They're fear-based statements. They're either misinformed or they're designed to sway your decision. Don't let them do that. Here's the reality. The insurance property works best when everyone, carrier, adjuster, restorer, and agent work together like a team. But you are the team captain. You set the direction, and that's why it's so important for you to stay informed. If you understand your role, you'll be able to lead your claim confidently and make decisions that truly serve your best interests. So the next time you wonder who's running the show, remember, it's you. You're in control of your property and your claim. Now, if you're facing a loss right now and you feel like you're being pressured or confused about your options, call our team. We'll give you honest, unbiased information so that you can stay in control of your claim and make educated decisions. In our next video, I will explain whether or not you should ever wait on your adjuster before taking action, because timing can make all the difference when you're standing in water.